In this video, I would do a review and tutorial of Pictory, which is a tool that can convert your script or articles into videos. So if you want to start with Pictory, I'll leave a link in the description below. And once you go through the registration process and you log in, you should come to this page. Now you can see here now we have a couple of options: script to video, article to video. So for the script to video, you can actually put the script here and get a AI generated video that looks like this. This is an example of one of the videos that I have just recently created using Pictory. Also, we have this option to actually copy the URL of a website and then create a video based on that. And we also have this editing and visual to videos as well that you can use other tools as well. There's also a tutorial down the bottom here for every one of these options that you can actually watch and see how this component actually works. So actually, let's start with the first one, which is the script to video. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, this AI tool, to get the script for my video. And in order to do this, simply go to chat.openai.com, register and log in, and then you should be here. And now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to get me 5 titles for YouTube video about Sigma male. Okay. And now ChatGPT will give me 5 titles, and then I'm going to choose one of these titles and then get a script from ChatGPT again for my Pictory AI video. So let me just go through them. I'm just going to use probably the second one: Sigma males revealed, what sets them apart from alpha and beta males. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to get me 300 words article for the second option. Okay, the title: Sigma male revealed, what sets them apart from alpha and beta males. And now you can see ChatGPT is giving me the script, and I'm going to use this script for my video. Okay, so the script is ready, and I think it's definitely more than 300 words. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this script, okay, and paste it in a Word document. Okay, just paste it here. And in order to avoid like a big chunks of script in every scene of the video, it's better to actually separate them with the new lines, so you don't have big chunks of text in each scene. Okay, so you can just separate them by new lines. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to copy the script, okay, and go back to Pictory, select script to video, paste the script here, okay, and giving it a title as well. I'm going to call it Sigma males revealed. I'm going to call the video Sigma males. Okay, this is what I'm going to call my video. Okay, now before we proceed, you can see that we have the same setting. If you just hover over it, you can see we have auto highlight keywords enabled, also auto visual selections also enabled. I'm just going to leave it as enabled. Also, if you would like to highlight any part of the script, simply select it and click this highlight button, and it will be highlighted and bold. And I can undo it as well. Okay, now click on proceed, and now you can see we have a lot of templates to choose from. Okay, simply hover over the template and you can see how the text actually will appear for different templates. So just go through them, see which one is suitable for your content, depending on what sort of content and what sort of niche you're trying to create content for. I'm just gonna probably select this one, the corporate, and you select it. And once you select it, you have a couple of options depending on what sort of video you're trying to create. Either you want to create a YouTube video or a short video or a story, what sort of video you're trying to create, you can select any of these aspect ratio. I'm just going to create a video for YouTube, which is 16:9, and then click on continue. And now it starts creating the video storyboard based on the content. Okay, now Pictory has created the scenes based on the script that we have provided. And as you can see, we have multiple scenes that we can actually edit it. If you would like to edit any of the scenes, you can simply select it, and you can see we have a couple of options here, like deleting the scene, preview to see if you like it, trim it, add a voiceover, but I'm going to talk about later, and settings. In the settings section, we have a loop video. You can enable or disable it. I think it's better to enable it. If you would like to get rid of the text, you can hide it by checking this. And if you would like to leave it, you can leave it. It's up to you. It's depend on what sort of content you're trying to create. You can leave it or you can hide it if you want. And the background music, if you want to get rid of the background music, you can get rid of it or you can leave it as well. So these are the things that you can see for every scene. If you like this scene, that's cool. If you preview it and you don't like it, you can actually change the scene if you want. And in order to change it, you select the scene and then go to this visual section from the left menu. And now you can see they're targeting keywords like Sigma male. And once you search for that specific keyword, you can see we have a lot of videos, right? And all of these videos are actually taken from Storyblock, okay, from this website. From this website, you can get all these videos. But the thing is, if you check the pricing of this website, you can see Storyblock is charging about $30 a month to access their videos, and Pictory, I think they're charging pretty reasonable price, okay? So now if you like the video, that's cool. If you want to change the video, you can select another video and actually change it to another video if you like. After selecting our video, there is another element that we need to add to our video as well, which is background music. And in order to add the background music, click on this audio section from the left menu. And now you can see we have the first option is background music, and now we have a lot of music to choose from, okay? If you want to target a certain genre, you can actually select it from here, whatever you want, horror, hip hop, you know, gypsy, whatever you want. Based on your content and your niche, you can actually filter it out and then choose a background music that you like. If you already have a background music, you can upload your background music and use that one. After we uploaded or use the background music, what we need is a voiceover, okay? A voiceover, you can see now we have a couple of voiceovers, and all these new voiceovers, they sound, I think, pretty good and natural. You can use your own voiceover if you're happy with that, but if you want to choose any of these voiceovers, simply click on apply, and that specific voiceover will be applied to your video. Also, if you would like to use a little bit more natural AI sound, you can use websites like Murf Ai. They are providing pretty natural AI voices. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to use it for your video. And you can choose the avatar and check the sound and see if you like it. Just provide the script and then you can get a voiceover from this website. There's another website called 11 Lab as well. They're also providing free actual voiceovers as well. You can simply copy and paste the script here and then download the voiceover for your video. After you have made the voiceover, you go back to the Pictory, go to My Uploads, and then upload the voiceover, and it will automatically sync the voiceover to the scenes as well. There's one thing to actually mention here in this settings. Once you click on background music, in the audio settings, make sure to put the background music at 10 or maximum 15%, so the background music is not too loud that can actually distract your audience. So for my video, I have already selected a background music. I'm just going to use the default one. The voiceover, I've also selected Liam, the male one. And now there are other options here like text. If you click on text, you can actually add text with different fonts to your video. Style as well. You have intro, outro, and other styles that you can add to your video. You can just go through it. It's pretty simple, nothing really complicated. Branding and formatting. So we are using 16:9 for YouTube video. And the branding. Okay, now let's go and generate our video using Pictory to see how our video actually looks. So in order to generate the video, click on download, and now it starts generating the video. Okay, the video is ready. Now let's download it. So this is the video that we have just created. Let me just play it to see how the video actually looks.
Title: Sigma males revealed. What sets them apart from alpha and beta males? Are you familiar with the concept?
And here you can see we have a big chunk of text in our scene. That's why I was asking you to separate the text with the new line, so you have a smaller paragraphs of text in each scene. And this is an example of an end result of a video that we have created using Pictory. Just go through it, see if you like it. You can change the voiceovers, background, and scenes as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate it if you tap the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and tap the little bell so you don't miss out the next video. Thank you and see you next time.